So here is the Pure Gear fast charger that I use. It's a 20-watt charger that I use for work. So say if I'm tuning a piano, I'll be able to charge my phone at the beginning of the day in a matter of about 15 minutes. This is useful to have in your toolkit because you never know when you will have forgotten to charge or your battery's low. You can just plug this in super quick. You won't have to wait at all. And your phone or iPad will be perfectly charged for the next time you tune your piano. This is way better than the older chargers that used to take forever, at least over an hour to get more than halfway through your charge. Here, I can leave my phone overnight without having it charged and only plug it in at the morning. I have a few of these in my house and also in my toolkits just so that I don't run out of charge. I even have an adapter for my car that's ready to go if the regular charger in my car isn't quite quick enough. If you rely on your phone or your iPad for work at all, I highly recommend this so that you'll always be prepared. Like I said, I have about 3 of these around the house, and I always know that I can lend this to a friend. People need these all the time. So this is a very important tool to have ample of yourself in your toolkit so that you're always ready to go. As you can see, the USB-C adapter plugs into here, and then you can charge your iPhone or your iPad. This, I know I can leave my phone out at night without charging it, and only in the morning, just plug it in for a quick charge and I'm ready to go. As you can see, this one is rated 20 watts. There are others that are 40 watts that could charge even quicker than this one. But this one will do the trick. It'll charge your whole phone in about 15 to 20 minutes, and you'll be all set to go. This charger is perfect to have as an extra in your toolkit so that you're always prepared and you'll never run out of charge for any one of your devices. Whether it's an iPad or your iPhone that you use to tune the piano, you'll always be prepared with enough battery to tune the piano.